Holy cow! Is the Xiaomi 15 the ultimate compact flagship that's shaking up the smartphone world in 2025? Or has it caught a nasty case of same old disease that might leave Xiaomi fans fuming? Alright, I've been using this Pocket Rocket for 6 months now, and I'm spilling all the tea: design, display, performance, cameras, battery, and whether it's still worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around. Hit that like button if you're hyped, and let's dive in. This video is sponsored by KeysFan. Ready to score premium software at insane discounts? Head to keysfan.com for Windows 11 Pro, Windows 10 Home, Windows XP, Office 2021 Professional, Office 365, and Epic bundles, plus PC tools like antivirus, system optimizers, and data recovery apps. It's dead simple. Add your Windows or Office keys to cart. Use code GBL50 for 50% off Windows series, or GBL62 for a whopping 62% off Microsoft Office. Pay securely with PayPal or credit card, and get your digital keys instantly via email. Enjoy free delivery for all orders, safe payment with 100% secure transactions. Shop with confidence with a money-back guarantee, and 24/7 customer service for friendly support. Don't sleep on these deals. Upgrade your setup now at keysfan.com. Alright, let's talk design. If you've seen the Xiaomi 14, you're basically looking at its twin. I mean, side by side, I legit had to double check which was which. The Xiaomi 15 rocks a sleek, flat glass back with this frosty shield glass that's a fingerprint magnet's worst nightmare. It feels premium, like I dropped on my couch and felt fancy just picking it up. The aluminum frame has this matte vibe, and those gently curved edges make it super comfy to hold. At 6.36 inches, it's compact enough for one-handed use, without feeling like you're wrestling a tablet. The camera bump? Same OL, square in the top left. But the dual LED flash is now chilling outside the module, and there's a laser autofocus system in its place. Colors? You got black, white, silver, green, and lilac. My black one looks clean as heck. But, real talk, is it too similar to last year's model? Drop a comment if you think Xiaomi played it too safe with the design. Now the display. Oh man, the 6.36-inch OLED is a stunner. It's got a 120Hz dynamic refresh rate, 2670 by 1200 resolution, and a pixel density around 460 ppi. Sounds nerdy, but it's crisp. I was binge watching Stranger Things in HDR 10+, and the colors pop like nobody's business. Peak brightness hits 3200 nits. My test clocked at 3175 nits at 20% APL, which is basically stare at the sun and still see your screen territory. Compared to the Xiaomi 14, it's a smidge brighter with faster 300Hz touch sampling rate. So gaming feels buttery smooth. How does it stack up to the Galaxy S25 or iPhone 16? It's trading blows, no question. The iPhone's still stuck at 60Hz. Yawn, while this OLED flexes thin bezels and eye-friendly certifications like low blue light. Oh, and that ultrasonic fingerprint scanner? Lightning fast like Galaxy S level good. Is this the best compact display out there? Let me know what you think. Performance? The Xiaomi 15 is a beast. It's packing the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the same chip powering 2025's top Androids. I threw everything at it. Genshin Impact on max settings, multitasking with a dozen apps, even some AI-heavy tasks, and it didn't even sweat. Benchmarks? Single core scores are neck and neck with the iPhone 16's A18 Pro, but multi-core? It's a bloodbath Xiaomi's eating Apple's lunch. My 12GB RAM per 256GB model. There's a 512GB option too. Handles everything like a champ. One hiccup. 3D Mark tests were tricky. The phone got toasty and crashed initially, but in cooler conditions, it scored a screaming 6,220 with 72% stability. That's elite tier. For a compact phone, cramming this much power into such a tiny frame is wild. Ever had a phone that just flies? That's the Xiaomi 15. Alright, camera time. The Xiaomi 15 sticks with a triple setup. A 50-megapixel main sensor, f/1.6 Leica lens, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a new 50-megapixel telephoto with 2.6x optical zoom. The main camera? Straight up fire. Daytime shots are packed with detail, dynamic range is wide, and colors are natural, not Instagram filter crazy. Low light shots hold up too. Leica's tuning makes those night vibes pop. The telephoto's the upgrade here, swapping the Xiaomi 14 sensor for a new JN5 with a 60mm focal length. Portraits look chef's kiss, and the 2.6x zoom is perfect for framing without getting in someone's face. The 5x composite zoom? Decent, but you'll notice a dip in detail. Ultra-wide solid but softer in shadows. Par for course. Compared to the Galaxy S25 or iPhone 16, it's competitive, especially for portraits. What's your go-to camera feature? Zoom or ultra-wide? Hit me in the comments. Battery life is where the Xiaomi 15 flexes hard. They squeeze a 5,240 mAh silicon carbon battery into this tiny frame. 630 mAh bigger than the Xiaomi 14. That's wizardry. I got an extra hour of browsing, 3 more hours of video streaming, and an hour and a half of gaming compared to last year's model. Streaming Netflix? This thing outlasts the iPhone 16 and Galaxy S25 in my tests. Charging? 90 watts wire gets you from 0 to full in 50 minutes. Not the fastest, but plenty quick. 50 watts wireless is there too, if you got Xiaomi's Hypercharge pad. For a compact phone, this battery life is a game changer. Ever run out of juice midday? Yeah, not with this one. Software is running Android 15 with HyperOS 2, Xiaomi's slick new UI. It's got AI goodies like real-time call translation, AI subtitles for videos, and AI notes for summarizing text. The AI Erase Pro tool for photos? Magic. Poof! That random photo bomber's gone. Circle to search is here too, which is clutch for quick Google lookups. Support-wise, you're getting 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches. Solid for 2025. HyperOS feels polished, but if you're not into Xiaomi's vibe, it might take some getting used to. What's your favorite Android skin? Let's hear it. Now, the big question, is the Xiaomi 15 worth it? New. It starts at €999. Steep, like iPhone 16 Pro territory. In the US, you're hunting on Amazon or third-party retailers since it's not at carriers, so no trade-in deals. Based on current data, a brand new Xiaomi 15, 12 gigabytes per 256 gigabytes, retails around €999 globally, but used prices are dipping to €700 to €800 on platforms like eBay or Swappa, depending on condition. That's a solid 20 to 30% drop, making the used market tempting for budget hunters. Compared to Galaxy S25 or iPhone 16, both cheaper and easier to snag in the US, the Xiaomi 15's price feels premium for what's essentially an iterative upgrade over the Xiaomi 14. If you're rocking last year's model, there's little reason to jump ship, but for new buyers wanting a compact powerhouse, it's still a contender. So, is the Xiaomi 15 the best compact phone in 2025? It's a killer package, gorgeous display, insane performance, epic battery life, and a camera that punches above its weight. But that €999 price tag and near-identical design to the Xiaomi 14 kinda stings. If you're in the US, the hassle of importing plus no carrier perks makes the Galaxy S25 or iPhone 16 tougher to ignore. If you're after a compact flagship and don't mind the hunt, the Xiaomi 15 is a fantastic pick, especially used at €700 to €800. But if you want cutting-edge innovation or easier availability, you might want to shop around. What's your take? Xiaomi 15 or something else? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.